Do you see this robot? It can be extremely dangerous. If you want to find out more, just stick around and we'll check it out. For the production of our micro-optical components, we're using those SCARA robots. There are two reasons, or two main reasons. One is they are extremely precise, going down to several micrometer, and they are very fast. We're talking about 7 meters per second, and this means there's also a high acceleration, and the force goes up to 1,700 newtons. This equals roughly 170 kilograms. When there's such a high acceleration, this means they are extremely dangerous for us people. And to protect the people which are working with those machines, we have several measures. The most obvious is this safety button here. So this means whenever you hit this button, the machine will stop immediately and there's nothing running anymore. We have those buttons on all 4 sides, so this means everybody can stop it and in case there's a problem. The second measure is we have those light barriers. You see those yellowish parts here and the mirrors. These are infrared light barriers, and this means every time we're getting in between this light barrier, the machine will stop again. So this means no one can get inside this machine while it is running. And this is the main safety concept. In addition, we have those acrylic sheets here. They are just they are for the case that accidentally someone is grabbing inside the machine and we don't want to stop it. So this means this is not a safety measure, it's more as a measure to make sure that the machine is running. Now the question is, there's situations where you have to load and unload material. So this means we have to get inside the machine. And for this we have those doors here, and there's a safety lock, and this means this safety lock holds the door closed until the machine is ready, until we have a planned pause for the machine so we can get the material in, and afterwards we close the door again, the system checks, yeah, the door is closed, and we can restart the machine. There's also a second topic, because we have to protect the machine itself. You can imagine we have high accelerations, we have forces up to 170 kilograms. This means if the machine accidentally goes down to this process nest and crashes with the process nest, it's completely damaged. And for that there are different measures, but we can talk about this in another video. So I hope you learned something today. If so, please leave a comment and give us a like, and see you in one of the next videos. Bye bye.